Okay, today we are going to talk about proportion and specifically indirect proportion. So our strad is going to be what? Proportion. And our substrad is going to be indirect proportion. Sawa. And we are going to do examples. We are going to do few examples that you understand better. Sawa. In your topic proportion, you discussed about direct proportion, whereby it's just directly opposite. Two men are working for this. How many days? You just cross and multiply. Sawa. When it comes into indirect proportion, it's just an hidden or hidden. There's something which is hidden inside. You have to think before you do it. It's not just direct like direct what? Proportion. And to start with, let's have an example. For example, you are given two people can take 3 hours to fill a lorry with sand. How long will it take three people to fill the same what? Lorry. The same lorry. Oh, sawa. Are we together? Yeah. So now this one, kitu cha kwanza, you have 3 hours. You have the number of what? Number of hours. Sawa. Which is 3 hours. And how many people are taking 3 hours? Two people. So we have people here. And then we have two people. Are we together? So 2 people are taking 3 hours. Then you are asked, how long will it take 3 people? 3 people. Are we together? Now, if it was direct proportion, it could just be cross and multiply. Now, in this one, you have to think. 3 hours are being taken by 2 people. Let me ask you a question. The question that you should ask yourself. If 2 people are taking 3 hours, 3 people will take more hours or less hours? That is the question you should ask yourself. When people were 2, they were taking 3 hours. Then they were added another 1 person to become 3 people. Are the hours going to be less or are the hours going to be more? Going to be less. Very good. So hours will be what? Will be less. This is the determinant. This is the determinant of now to do this. Are we together? So now, if the hours are going to be less, you are going to use the people. The number of people who are less over the number of people who are more. Are we together? Which is going to be 2 over 3 times the number of hours. Are we together? Are we together? Yes. That is one way. The other way, you can look for one person or 1 hour, but which is a long way to go. You don't have to go all that way. You just come here and think. In direct proportion, you have to use your mind and think. If 2 people are taking 3 hours, 3 people, will they take more hours or less hours? If they are going to take less hours, then you take the number of people who are less over the number of people who are more. And then the hours, you just multiply them. Are we together? Which is going to be, and then you get what? Let me see. No, yes, they are going to take 2. It becomes 2 what? 2 hours. It becomes 2 what? 2 hours. So 2 people will take 3 hours and 3 people will take 2 what? 2 hours. Are we together? So in direct proportion, you have to think. You just don't go and multiply just direct like the way we used to do with the direct what? Proportion. Are we together? That is all. Can we do another example? Yeah. Five taps takes 20 minutes. to fill, yes, to fill a trough with water. With water. Okay? How long will it take 2 taps to fill the water trough? To fill the water what? The water trough. Are we together? Are we together? There are a number of taps, right? Taps here. Are we together? And then there is minutes. There is what? Minutes. Are we together? So 5 taps are taking how many minutes? 20 minutes to fill a trough with water. How long will it take 2 taps? Are we together? This one you think. If 5 taps, ukifungulia tap tano, when you open the 5 taps, they are going to fill that trough with the 20 minutes. What if now you reduce the taps and you close 3 taps? You remain with only 2 taps running. Are they going to take more minutes or less minutes?
More minutes.
Very good. They are going to take more minutes. The minutes will be added because the taps have reduced. So if it is more, it is going to be the number of taps which are more over the number of taps which are less, which is going to be 5/2 times 20. Are we together? Are we together? Understandable? Yeah. So you say by 2, 1, by 2, 10. So the 2 taps are going to take 50 what? 50 minutes. Are we together? The 2 taps are going to take 50 minutes. People complicate you for nothing when they are teaching in direct proportion. That's why you think like it's hard. No. This is a matter of using your mind and thinking. This one needs a lot of thinking compared to direct proportion. It is a matter of asking your question, yourself a question. If 5 taps are taking 20 minutes, and the taps were 5, now they have reduced to 2 taps, are they going to take more minutes or less minutes? Are we together? So now, if they are going to take more, you take the bigger over the smaller. If they are going to take less, you take the less over the big. And then the one which you are looking for, the partner, comes automatically times. Are we together? Tuko pamoja? And our answer becomes 50 what?
Minutes.
50 minutes. And we have another example?
Yes.
Yes, a third one. Let rub for me this part. Here. Amada takes 6 hours to weed a garden. Okay? Ongola takes 4 hours to weed the same garden. How long will it take? How long will it? Yes. Amada and Ogola to weed the what? The garden. To weed the garden. Are we together? First of all, write Amanda. Amanda is how many hours? 6 hours. Ogola is how many hours? 4 hours. Are we together? So now, if they are going to weed them, if the two are going to weed the shamba together, sawa, you must know in 1 hour, kila mtu ana weed kiasi gani. So, Amada in 1 hour is weeding 1 over what? 6. And Ogola in 1 hour is weeding 1 over what? Over 4. Are we together? So when you combine their work, you do it in 1 hour. Are we together? So you are going to say 1 over 6 plus 1 over 4 when they combine their efforts. when they combine their effort. And you look for the LCM, which is what? 12. 12 divided by 6?
4.
4. No. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Plus 12 divided by 4? 3. Are we together? Which is going to be 5 over what? 5 over 12. 5 over 12. Now this is the work they are going to do in 1 hour. In one what? In 1 hour. Are we together? So now let's assume they are that if it is 5 over 12, it means 1 hour in total it's going to be 12 over what? Over 12. So you understand this? So if now 1 hour is the same as 12 over 12, what about now if it's given by 5? If the in 1 hour the two of them they are working for 5 over what? 5 over 12. So you are going to take 1 hour only, given it's 12 over 12. Are we together? Then Amanda plus Ogola in 1 hour, it is 5 over what? Over 12. So it's going to be 12 over 12 divided by 5 over what? 5 over 12. So that now you can know the 6 hours and the 4 hours combined together is going to be what? So it's going to be, let's go together, 12 over 12 times 12 over what? 5. Which is going to be 12 over 5. And then you write it as 2 and 2 over what? 5 hours. Are we together? So when they combine their effort together, they are going to work for 2 hours, 2 over 5 what? 2 and 250 hours. That is the time they are going to take when they combine their effort together. Are we together? Tuko pamoja? Na hiyo ni njia moja. That is one of the way. The other way, unakumbuka mali tumesema when you add 1 over 4 plus 1 over 6, your answer was 5 over 12. Are we together? So if you get this answer, you remember our hours was 4 hours and the other one was 6 what? 6 hours. But we respond, this is the same as 4 over 1, this is the same as 6 over what? 1. Now we went for looking for 1 hour, whereby we just gave the reciprocal. So which was 1 over 4 and the other one was 1 over what? 6. So whatever we get here, we can even like to go to 12 over 12 for 1 hour. And we just reciprocate this one. If you do that, the answer is going to be the same as this. So you can say in 1 hour, it was 5 over 12, which is the same as 12 over what? 5. And your answer still becomes 2 over what? 5 hours. So you can just reciprocate the answer that you get. You remember we used the reciprocals of 4 and 6, eh? Are we together? We were given 4 and 6. If you go back to our mathematics, you'll find that it was 4 hours, it was 6 hours, and 4 hours. Are we together? So we asked ourselves, for 1 hour, Amanda atafanya what? Atafanya 1 over 6, which was 6 over 1. The reciprocal is 1 over what? Over 6. So we used the reciprocals of our hours. So after getting the answer, which is 5 over 12, this one now, instead of asking ourselves 12 over 12 for 1 hour, we can just give the reciprocal of the answer. Ever. If you give the reciprocal, still the answer will be correct. You write the reciprocal because in these hours, you also use the reciprocal. 4 over 1. And then we use the reciprocal, which is 1 over what? 4. 6. 6 over 1. We use the reciprocal, which is 1 over what? And then once you get your answer, you also reciprocate. It is going to be the same thing as also asking for 1 hour, 1 tap, like that. Are we together? And that becomes the correct what? Correct answer. Are we together?
Yeah.